All right, hey, so we're taking a screenshot to label the parts of Excel. So I don't know if you can see the top of my screen, but what you want to do is open up Excel, find it on your computer. So here I have it. And again, I don't know if you can see the menu bar at the top. But what you want to do is just do Shift, hold in Command, and hold in 5. And then you get this dialog box that allows you to capture the entire screen, capture selected window. What you want to do is capture entire screen, because what it'll do, it'll get the menu bar at the top. So just get the little camera cursor and just click, and then what it'll do is it'll go to your desktop. Okay, so you want to minimize everything, and here's the screenshot we just took. Okay, now open up Microsoft Word. You want a blank document. Drag the screenshot that you just took, pop it in there. Now here's the issue. In order to get the menu bar at the top, we had to take a full screenshot. So what you have to do now is double click on the screenshot and you get your picture format ribbon. What we want to do is we want to crop it. So click on crop, drag these arrows. Whoops, I didn't click on it. I'm going to drag these arrows straight up. Boom. So then now, and then click outside of it. Now we have a nice screenshot of Excel. Okay, and oh, I can't move it around. So what you want to do, right click, go to wrap text in front of text. Now you can move it around, and you want to make it larger, and also you need to make this in landscape view. So right, remember, go to layout, orientation, landscape. This will give you a lot more room to label everything you need to label. All right, so remember, you got to label 11 parts, circling and making arrows to each part that is on that PDF document in Schoology. All right, that's how you do a screenshot. See ya.